Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone, and welcome to our quick guide on making amazing lasagna. This iconic dish, known for its layers of comforting flavor, can seem a little intimidating at first, but it's truly quite simple once you know the right steps. Today, we'll cover everything you need to achieve that perfect, hearty meal, from choosing the right pasta to getting that golden brown top. Get ready to impress your family and friends with a delicious homemade classic. When it comes to lasagna pasta, you'll mainly find two types: traditional, dried sheets, and convenient oven-ready varieties. Traditional sheets are usually boiled briefly, just until al dente, before you start assembling your lasagna. Oven-ready sheets, as the name suggests, absorb moisture directly from your sauce during baking, saving you a separate cooking step. Both work wonderfully, so choose the one that best fits your cooking style and schedule. For traditional lasagna sheets, the prep is straightforward. Start by bringing a large pot of well-salted water to a vigorous boil, just like you would for any pasta. Then, gently slide in your lasagna sheets, one by one, to prevent them from sticking together. Cook them for only a couple of minutes, or until they are pliable but still have a good bite. Immediately transfer them to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, keeping them separate, so they cool without clumping. Now for the fun part, layering your lasagna. Always start with a thin layer of sauce at the bottom of your baking dish. This prevents the first pasta layer from sticking. Next, place a single layer of pasta sheets, overlapping slightly if needed. Follow that with a good spread of your ricotta mixture or creamy bechamel. Then, add more sauce and any meat or vegetable fillings. Repeat these layers, pressing down gently until you reach the top, finishing with plenty of sauce and cheese. Finally, it's time to bake your masterpiece. Cover your lasagna tightly with aluminum foil, ensuring the pasta cooks evenly and the cheese melts perfectly. Bake it in a preheated oven, around 375 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 45 minutes. Then, remove the foil for the last 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the top cheese to become golden and bubbly. Most importantly, let your lasagna rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes after baking. This crucial step allows the layers to set, making for much easier, cleaner slices. Enjoy your delicious homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.